Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to make a circular logo on Canva. So let's begin. Firstly, go ahead and open your Canva. After opening your Canva, you can see there's lots of option here. Click on more. Sorry, I think it has been, so I refresh it. So click on more. After clicking on more, you can see there's a logo in popular. Click on logo. After you click on the logo, you would see a page like this coming up, and there are lots of templates which showing like this. So this is a premium template. You can use a free template like this over here as well, and you can change and type anything you want, like food. You can remove this, or you can change or rewrite on it. So you can do anything you want. For example, food. Here we go. So I rewrite, and here you go, you have your own logo. You can delete this, you can change it, and after that you can save. You can download it to your PNG and you have your logo. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much.